The script tile is a great way to enhance your micro app. If you have any JavaScript or HTML that you want to enable something custom, you've got the ability to add that in. You can also treat it very simply by embedding any type of snippets or iframe codes as well. So an example of that would be in this presentation. As we get into the pricing section, as we go to pipeline, this is actually an example of a Tableau report that is embedded right into the experience so that it's live and you can edit it in real time. Now, under the hood and tiled, you're simply using the script tile, dragging that onto the canvas, and then sizing it accordingly. But in the right-hand properties panel, you'll see that it is just copy and pasting a embed script for this Tableau report. So even if you were going to take a form or a iframe of a YouTube video, that iframe code is going to go here in the script, and then once you hit enter to enable it, then that's going to render, and again, you can determine how much or how little of the page that's taken up with the script tile. But that's it. So this might be one of our shorter tutorials, but if you have any questions on the script tile, don't hesitate to reach out to support@tile.co.